Hi guys, if you don't have enough time for running to keep your body fit, especially knee, or you hate running, then do this knee friendly cardio in your home. So let's start. First exercise is alternate knee arm swing. In this exercise, you have to stand straight, then bring your hands front of you, and then move your right hand upward and left hand downward, and lift your left leg upward equal to your pelvis level or above it. Then back to normal position, and then do same with other hand and leg. Second exercise is leg lift jacks. In this exercise you have to hands up straight and then lift your one leg up straight as possible as you can and move your both hands lower to your leg and touch both together and then back to normal position, then do same with other leg. Third exercise is double knee thrust. In this exercise you have to stand straight, then hands up, and first we do one side, so lift your one knee up as possible as you can and then move your both hands from upward to backward, then back to normal position. Now we have to do another side same as it is. Fourth exercise is back leg lift jacks. So this is our last exercise. So move your hands upward, and when you bring downward, then fold your one knee backward, and when you move your hands upward, then move your knee back to normal position, then do same with other knee. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.